learn how to make basic crochet stitches. I have my hook, scissor, yarn ready. So our first ingredient is the magic loop, and this is how I do it. Second, enter your hook into the magic loop and create a chain like that. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's how you create a chain. The third is a single crochet, so chain 1, skip that first loop into the second, enter your hook, yarn over, and then pull through both. That's a single crochet. Go into the next loop, pull through, complete. Go into the next, yarn over and pull through. And this is how a single crochet looks like. And the fourth is a half double crochet, so chain 2, 1, 2, that acts like your first half double crochet, yarn over, skip the first 2 loops into the third, pull through and pull through all. That's a half double crochet. Wrap your yarn, go into the next loop, pull through all, yarn over, go into the next loop, pull through the yarn and pull through all. That's a half double crochet. And this is how it looks like. And at the back. Next is a double crochet, chain 1, 2, that's your first double crochet. Wrap your yarn or yarn over, skip the first 2 loops into the third, pull through first like that, then pull through 2. That's a double crochet. Wrap your yarn, go into the next loop, pull through 2, and then pull through 2. Yarn over, go into the next loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a double crochet. And this is how our beautiful double crochet looks like, and this is how it looks like. Next is a treble crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, wrap your yarn around the hook and wrap it again, and then skip 3 loops into the 4th loop like that, pull through 2 like that, and then pull through 2 like that, and pull through 2 3 times. That's why it's called treble. Double wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through the loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and pull through 2. and we are done. Beautiful. See you next time.